Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me. This week in 1915, an 18-year-old stenographer from Chicago wrote to the Williamsburg post office wishing to correspond with a young gentleman. She stated that she had visited Williamsburg once before and hoped that she could escape the big city and live here on a farm. This week in 1916, the Women's Club gave a Victrola to the Nicholson School. The teachers were grateful for the gift and hoped for more improvements, specifically heating and electric lighting. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.